celebratory monster. Also, I'm drinking it because I have a lot of homework to do after this, so. Peach flavor, my favorite. Cheers. Bink. I'm gonna be really hyper in this video. I'm just warning you because I have caffeine and dopamine. This package is from buyee. I'm so excited. If you don't know what buyee is, it is a proxy service where you can order from Japan and then they will send it to their warehouse, hold it for 30 days, and then they'll mail it over to you. It's a really cool way to get your hands on some really unique Japanese pieces. And also, Japanese mercari, the sellers on there don't charge as much as American sellers do. So a lot of times you could find really good deals. That being said, shipping is expensive. For one item, you're looking at maybe like $27 in shipping. So it's best to order a whole bunch of items and then they consolidate your packages and adjust your shipping accordingly, which is what I did. That's why I have this box. I like kind of remember, but I just feel like it's gonna look really different. They taped this up real good. Also, the sun is setting, so if the lighting changes in this video, which it probably will very quickly, that's why. On top, there's, yay! Okay, how should we do this? So we'll do this one first. I kind of have an idea of what it is. Oh my gosh. Ah! If you ever meet me in real life, Wyatt always says I kind of have like a switch where one minute I'm like so full of energy and then the next minute, like without any warning, I'm like dead inside. I'm Wednesday Addams. I go from Enid to Wednesday. That's exactly the switch. Okay, yeah, so this video is very Enid, but I look like Wednesday, I don't know. So the first thing I got, and this was actually the first thing I ordered as well off of buyee, so that's kind of funny. Maybe they packed them in order, but I ordered some Vivienne Westwood socks. So I have like this like off-white cream kind of pair, and then I have a black pair. I plan to style these with some low-rise docks. So cute. And the packaging is so pretty. I really like the silver like embossed, I don't know. I like little details like that. And then there's like the embroidered orb logo. Ooh, this is what I thought that was. Okay. So the next thing I ordered is more Vivienne Westwood. These are little teddy bears. If you are like familiar with like my content and stuff, my shop, like my Depop shop, is all like teddy bear themed. And so when I saw that these were a thing, I had to get my hands on some. When I saw the pink one, I was like, oh my goodness, I need her, but I couldn't find it anywhere in the US. The pink one is like kind of gingham, and then the blue one is striped. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. And they're so tiny. I have a small hand, but they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. The fabric is so much different than I thought, but I think that's so fun. So this is my very first piece from Liz Lisa. It's like kind of fuzzy here. I don't know how to show you, but it's this off the shoulder sweater. The Liz Lisa tag is so pretty in person. The ribbon's kind of embroidered. You probably won't be able to tell on camera. Originally, I ordered a different bag, but the seller never shipped it, so then they canceled that order, and I was so devastated, but I'm glad they did because then I got refunded and I was able to get this bag, which I like a whole lot more. They put a little thank you sticker. Oh, it's so pretty. I love khaki colored bags. When you don't know if a color is like brown or gray or green, that's my favorite color. My favorite part though, besides the outside color, is the inside. Look how pretty, okay? So beautiful. I've been like in love with stripes lately. Look at that tag. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. And there's like a zipper inside. The inside fabric is so good. I love the like leather straps. That is gorgeous. This is so much fun. So I ordered this little like keychain accessory to match the other bag I got, because the other bag was like gray and black, but I think it still might match this bag. It's like a little purse tag, I guess you could call it, and it has like the little orb logo. Maybe I'll hang it up for now, like right there. This is also a Liz Lisa piece, and I really like the sweater material. I was kind of nervous about it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I was also kind of nervous because a lot of Liz Lisa pieces are free size, so that means it's just one size. But it definitely seems like it'll fit nicely. Maybe a little big on the shoulders, but I really enjoy the lace over the gray. Gray is probably my current favorite color, and the ribbon detailing here, it's like a suede kind of ribbon, which I really enjoy. I actually have like a whole spool of ribbon like the same color, so that'll be really fun. It also gives me like Hachi vibes from Nana, so yeah, I could totally see her wearing something like this with like the Vivienne pearl choker or like pearl earrings. So pretty. And then the sleeves have like a little frill. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. So I've been wanting a pair of bloomers for a minute now, and when I saw these for like $5, I could not pass them up. They are Liz Lisa pink bloomers. Oh my goodness, they are so cute and dainty. I thought these would be super cute to wear like under shorts because they have like the little lace. Oh my goodness. There's like the tag and a little bow. Okay, where were we? It's another pair of socks by Vivienne Westwood. For a while I refused to wear red, but I recently got like a Twilight shirt. It has red in it, and so I thought these would look really cute with the Twilight shirt. I love that in Japan, shorts with fur are a thing. In the back, there's like a black tag for the brand name. I think it looks like it says Lucille Blue. This is the last pair of socks for now. I've been trying to like expand my sock collection. If you saw like my Pinterest board video, they have the little Vivienne Westwood orb. In the picture they looked more gray, so I was expecting it to be more gray, but honestly I don't mind. They kind of go together, the like same kind of tones. The last thing, these are another pair of like fleece lined shorts, but these are like a blue jean pair. For size reference, I'm normally a US small, and I ordered a Japanese medium, but I really like that this one, the pockets are lined as well. And if you're looking for something similar on buyee, my best advice to you is to Google search boa in Japanese, and then I like these like pockets, very rounded, very cutesy, you know? I actually ordered my first Sonny angel. I ordered it from China on eBay because in the US, the one I wanted was really expensive, so I just went ahead and shipped it overseas. This one in particular is a part of the Creature series, which is little characters by the artist Donna Wilson. For a while I held off on buying a Sonny angel because I don't want to collect more things. Like I have a lot of pops and like my Twilight stuff, and so I didn't want to start collecting anything else. But when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy one and one only, and it's gonna be this one. And if I find another one I like, then maybe I'll sell this one and keep the other one. But these are the possible babies in the like series. Hopefully you can kind of see that. So cute. And then it came with this little paper. Oh, it came with this little paper. And it has, okay, all of them. So I can show you. So this one's really cute. And then you can see like her artwork in comparison. I like BB a lot, but Brian has my heart. I love bunnies, so cute. And then the panda, of course, is super cute, Pia. And then here's Donna. I always see them on like videos and pictures and they look like really big next to whatever people place them next to, but they're actually really small. Oh, he's so cute. Here he is. Oh my goodness. What the heck? What the heck? And then on the back, he has little wings. I feel like his colors go really good with the Oran like pop boxes, so I put him next to my Hitachi brothers. Honestly, I'm obsessed. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to order from buyee if you're considering it. I'm just gonna warn you though that sometimes shipping overseas, packages get lost, so you might lose a lot of money. It's just like a risk you have to be willing to take, honestly. And for those curious, from the moment I shipped my package, like at the end of the holding period, whenever I paid for shipping from buyee, it took about 5 days to get to me, which is actually really good. And I was able to track it through UPS, so I saw it went, you know, it left Tokyo, got to Alaska. So I'm sure if you live on the West Coast, it'll get to you a lot faster, but I live in Texas, so I think the extra couple days were just it working through the UPS system. So I guess I'll see you next week. Bye.